Now, many of you have been wondering how to create a screencast, and this is very helpful if you're trying to lead your teachers through an example of using a website or an app, for instance. What you will do is on your Chrome browser, you are going to go into Screencastify, and it is an add-on to your Chrome browser. It's going to ask you to create this extension. It's going to ask you to add to Chrome, which I've already done. Once you've added to Chrome, it's going to appear in this toolbar right here. And on any website that you go through, you will see this piece. And this is how I'm recording right now. So for instance, if you wanted to show your staff how to access information, you might be interested in accessing information yourself. So let's look into the teaching and learning chiclet on the Peel site. If you go into curriculum and instruction, then you can look up library, and all of these pieces are here, and all of these sites and resources are here for you to access. And it shows you where things are. It shows you if you're interested in having a session, and it gives all of these amazing resources right here for you. This is something that you might want to do for staff. When you are finished, you are just going to, there will be appear the stop sharing, and it will save straight to your Google Drive, and you can send that out to your entire staff if need be.